Now, there is growing concern about COVID variants showing up in Oregon and Washington. You see, they're more contagious and deadlier than the original virus. 9 cases in Cowlitz County in Washington, plus at least a dozen cases so far in Oregon. Now, we're also hearing of what's called breakthrough cases, and that's when people get COVID even after being fully vaccinated. Let's check in with our Lisa Balick, who's looking into all of this for us and joins us live now with these details. And some of this, it's not good to hear, Lisa.
Yeah, in fact, I found out so far they have just over 100 breakthrough cases in Washington. But keep in mind, that's out of more than 1 million people in Washington who have been fully vaccinated. Now, while the vaccines are highly effective, as we've been saying all along, they are not 100% effective. But there are questions in these cases of getting COVID more than 2 weeks after being fully vaccinated. Now, so far, there have been 15 breakthrough cases in Clark County, 2 in Cowlitz County. One concern is the new variants identified in Cowlitz County, so test samples are being sent to check for that. Also, they investigate whether there was an issue with storage, transportation, or a lot number of the vaccine when it comes to these breakthrough cases. So far, they have not found a link to any particular brand of vaccine, and the people in Washington were ages in their 20s to their 80s who got COVID after having their shots. No one hospitalized as a result.
Precisely because we're still at this stage where we're concerned about resurgence and we're concerned about variants, and we know the vaccine isn't 100% effective.
Now, again, no one hospitalized again in Southwest Washington. Now, statewide in Washington, there are more than 100 cases of people getting COVID after they are fully vaccinated. Keep in mind in Clark County, some 60,000 Clark County residents are fully vaccinated. So those 15 breakthrough cases identified are less than 1%, but only about 10% overall of people in Southwest Washington are vaccinated right now. Now, health leaders say there are likely more cases that they have not identified, perhaps from people who are not showing any symptoms or people who have not gotten tested. They say all this is reason to keep masking up and keeping distance even if you are fully vaccinated. I'll have more on this coming up tonight at 5. Back to you.